when I visited one of the two largest Buddhist museum in Taiwan, the museum's director told me that the characteristic of the museum or the goal of their endeavors is to put the Buddhist doctrine in the exhibition. So it's very clearly that the exhibition done in the Buddhist museums, they all try their best to explain the objects from the perspective of Buddhist Dharma or teaching. So it's not just the object. And I feel that in many other museums in the world, not just here in our Sankt Augustin or in Germany, even in whole Europe, for example, the British Museum, they also display the Buddhist statue, but it's just as artifacts, not certainly should be connected with the Buddhist Sutra or Dharma. But in the Taiwanese Buddhist Museum, they just say very clearly, it's our opportunity as a monk. Uh, we have to deal with the Buddhist topic and Buddhist thoughts in our exhibition.
Thank you very much.